Hello and welcome back to your filmy roundup with Bollywood Tuesday, brought with it some happy couples news, some COVID updates, and of course stars going into damage control after Cyclone Tauktae. From Ariana Grande's wedding to Kangana Ranaut testing COVID-19 negative, Amitabh Bachchan's office getting flooded, and more. Here are the biggest stories of the day. American pop star and Grammy Award winner Ariana Grande said thank you yes as she took the plunge with her boyfriend Dalton Gomez. Just 1 year into their romance, the couple, who had been treating fans to mush pics all through the lockdown, took the plunge in a tiny and intimate ceremony at the star's California home, in the presence of their family and 20-odd guests. While one couple begins their journey to happy ever after back in B-Town, Cyclone Tauktae threatened to wreak havoc at Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt's love nest in the making. RBs brought back visuals of uprooted trees outside the Kapoor home, which is being redeveloped for the lovely couple who is expected to tie the knot soon. The two, who are expected to move into the plush residential building, have been spotted several times visiting the house that will be their forever home. One star who wasn't as lucky as the Kapoors was megastar Amitabh Bachchan. The star revealed that his office Janak was flooded last night and that the shelter area for his staff was blown away by strong winds. While his staff rushed into action to prevent valuables from getting damaged, he revealed that he gave them all change of clothes from his own wardrobe. While he was at it, he even said a prayer for all to be safe and protected. On the other side of town, Kangana Ranaut had her prayers answered as she announced that she has tested negative for COVID-19 over a week after contracting the virus. You'd think things would change after her COVID battle, but not Kangi. She was back to dropping fiery posts that read, "I want to say a lot about how I beat the virus, but I'm told not to offend COVID fan clubs. Yes, there are actually people out there who get offended if you show disrespect towards the virus. Anyway, thanks for your wishes and love." And finally, we're wrapping up Sonu Sood's savage reply to an Odisha collector and district magistrate who refuted the actor's claims of arranging a bed for a COVID patient at a city hospital. "We didn't receive any communication from Sood Foundation or Sonu Sood. The patient is in home isolation and stable. No bed issues," he tweeted. You can imagine the awkwardness when Sonu shut down the misinformed claims in his tweet that read, "Sir, we never claimed that we approached you. It's the needy who approached us and we arranged the bed for him. Attached are the chats for your reference." That's all for today, folks. See you all tomorrow, same time, same place. Bye-bye.